Which of the following answers refer to a laptop's Bluetooth module? Well, let's look at the following. What is a WWAN? WWAN is actually in cell phones. So WWAN is going to be a wireless wide area network, and this allows your phone to communicate to cellular networks. That's what that's for, hence the wide part. Then we have WLAN. This is going to be wireless local area network, and that's more like your home Wi-Fi. Communicates on the 802.11 frequency and allows devices to talk to each other across your Wi-Fi. Riser card is reserved for computers, and it's for your PCIe slots. Allows you to move components around. That one's completely out. So the answer for this question is going to be WPAN. WPAN stands for Wireless Personal Area Network. And this is something that has a low range, why it's perfect, a descriptor for Bluetooth. My phone has it, your laptop would have it. So that is going to be your laptop's Bluetooth module. It's going to be a WPAN, Wireless Personal Area Network. Just remember, riser cards are for computers. WLAN or WLAN, I guess there's no other way to say it. WLAN is wireless local area networks, and WWAN is wireless wide area networks.